problem. Students, I request you please note down question number 4. This is FIFO method. In this problem, you're having purchase information, sales information. Then apart from purchase sale, see in all the dates you can see purchase sale, everything is given. Other than that, you can see two adjustment. One adjustment is related to sales return. The other adjustment is related to purchase return. So dear students, if you go through this problem, you can see two adjustment. One is out of purchase, March 5, 50 kg were returned to the supplier on March 8. So that means March 5 का जो purchase, see March 5 को क्या था purchase था, that was returned on March 8. This is the one meaning. So March 5 को purchase था, returned on March 8 means it is purchase return. Second one, out of sales of March 23rd, so 23rd का sale returned on 26th. 26th को return. So you have to be very, very careful. So I repeat, March 5th का purchase, this purchase returned on March 8th. So it is a purchase return. Yes, sale, March 26th का, yes, March 23rd का sale, which is returned on March 26th. Okay? So dear students, I request you please note down this problem. So what is the first date here? So first date here is 1/3/2019. That is the purchase of, what is the first date? 1/3/2019. Purchase of 600 units at ₹4 each. Amount is 2,400. Is it correct? Is it correct, students? 600 into 4, that is 2,400. Is it correct, students? Yes. What is the next date? Second date क्या है? What is the second date? First date purchase है. Yes. 600 into 4, 2,400. Yes. Now, purchase जो किया हुआ आंसर है, that purchase has to be shown under balance column. That purchase has to be shown under balance column. Balance column में दिखाना है. That is 600 into 4. Amount is 2,400. Is it correct? 600 into 4. Amount is 2,400. Any doubt, students? Any doubt to anyone? Any doubts to anyone? No. It's clear. Second point. What is the second point? 4/3/2018. There is a sale of 300 units. There is a sale of 300 units. 4/3/2019. There is a sale of 300 units. There is a sale of 300 units. Correct? There is a sale of 300 units. Can you tell me what is the rate applicable here? Can you tell me what is the rate applicable here? 300 के लिए. What is the rate applicable here? Great. That is 4. 4 is the rate applicable. Perfect. Yes. Now 300 into 4, how much? 1,200. Correct. Can you tell me what is the number of unit left out? 600 से कितना आपने issue किया? जो issued 300. The left out part is also 300. Is it correct? At the rate of 4, amount is 1,200. Is it correct, students? Is it correct? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone? It's perfectly going? Yes. Great. Next date is 5/3. Next date is 5/3/2019. There is a purchase 5/3. 300 at ₹3.8. What is the purchase unit? Purchase unit is, so 5/3 ko there is a purchase. Just 1 minute. 5/3 there is a purchase of 300 units. Correct है ना? 300 units at ₹3.8. at rupees 3.8. आंसर बोल सकते हो क्या स्टूडेंट्स? व्हाट इज द आंसर? व्हाट इज द आंसर स्टूडेंट्स? 1140. 1140. Great. 1140. Great. Now tell me students, while writing this, this purchase has to be shown under balance column, but which answer you have to write first? Whether the old answer you have to take first or the new answer? You have to take the old answer. The old answer is, the previous answer is 300 at rupees 4 each. Amount is 1200. This is the old answer I am copying. This answer I am copying. Then I have to write the new answer. I have to write the new answer. New answer is a fresh purchase. 300 at rupees 3.8. Amount is 1140. 1140. Is it correct, students? Is it correct? Yes, great. Next point. 5.3 को होने के बाद there is a purchase return, because 5th March जो आपने purchase किया था, that is returned on March 8th. Whatever purchased on 5th, that is returned on March 8th. That means it is a purchase return. So 8th March को 2019 को there is a purchase return. To whom? To the supplier. There is a purchase return to supplier. Is it correct? Purchase return to supplier. Now question comes, which purchase? This purchase. जो ये rate purchase है ना, this purchase has been returned. ठीक है, purchase इधर है तो purchase return उसका opposite side में आता है. Purchase here आपने लिखा है, purchase return इधर आएगा. ठीक है, that is very very important. Be careful. ठीक है, be careful. Now what is the return? Number of units returned कितना है? 50 kg. Yes, 50 kg. कौन सा? Yes, इधर आएगा 50 kg. 50 kg. क्यों मैंने लिखा पता है? Because इसका opposite, किसका opposite है? Purchase का opposite is purchase return है. Purchase का opposite is purchase return है. Do you agree with me? Purchase का opposite is purchase return. Do you agree with me? तो परचेज कॉलम में नहीं लिख सकते हम लोग, इश्यू कॉलम में लिखना है. बट यही रेट हमको लेना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू टेक दिस रेट, बिकॉज यही रेट में हम वापस दे रहे हैं. वी आर गिविंग एट दिस रेट ओनली 3.8. इज इट ओके? 3.8 में हमें वापस देना पड़ेगा 3.8, बिकॉज इधर का रिटर्न है. सो आई विल मेंशन हियर रिटर्न फ्रॉम 5th March. That's why I'm taking that rate. Is it okay? Yes. Multiply करके बोलो 50 kg into 3.8. What's the answer? 190. Perfect. Yes. Listen now. Dear students, आप रिटर्न करने से, सप्लायर को वापस देने से आपको उतना नंबर तो कम हो जाएगा. But which one you returned? Which one you returned? Is it the old one you returned or new one? Which one you returned? Is it the old one you returned or new one? Which one you returned? You returned, not returned old one. So इसमें ये दोनों में कौन सा आपने रिटर्न किया? Which one you returned? ये दोनों में which one you returned? Is it the old one you returned or new one you returned? You returned a new one. That means old one should remain as it is. Old one should remain as it is. That is 300 into 4. Amount is 1200. Yes, old one should remain as it is. New one में, new one 300 से, yes, new one 300 से we have returned 50 kg. So the remaining is 250. I hope I'm clear to you. आपने रिटर्न तो किया, बट कौन सा यूनिट से आपने रिटर्न किया? यू आर नॉट रिटर्न फ्रॉम ओल्ड, यू आर रिटर्न फ्रॉम न्यू. सो न्यू 300 से आपने 50 वापस किया. इज इट करेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स? इज इट करेक्ट? एट द रेट ऑफ 3.8. इज इट करेक्ट? ओल्ड का 300 एज इट इज है. फीफो मेथड के हिसाब से हमको ओल्ड से लेना था, बट ये कंफर्म डेट दिया है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टेकन फ्रॉम दिस वन ओनली. इधर से लिया. दैट्स द रीजन वही 300 का नंबर से 50 माइनस करो 250 बचेगा एट रुपीज 3.8. So can you multiply and tell me the answer? Yes, can you multiply and tell me the answer? It is 950. Any doubt, students? Any doubt? So old one as it is है, न्यू वन 300 से हमने पर्पसफुली न्यू वन से हमने रिटर्न किया तो न्यू वन से माइनस करना पड़ रहा है. न्यू वन 300 था उसमें से 50 गया 250 बच गया एट द रेट ऑफ 3.8. आंसर इज 950. इज इट करेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स? इज इट करेक्ट? इज इट करेक्ट? एनी डाउट टू एनीवन? नो. ठीक है. So this is the one. Yes, changes you have to observe. Next one 8-3 हो गया. नेक्स्ट वन इज 10-3. हमने सेल किया कितना 200 kg. 8-3 डन. 10-3 2019 there is a sale of, बोलो कितना सेल of how many number? सेल कितना है? there is a sale of 200. Sale of 200. Is it correct, students? Students, is it correct? There is a sale of 200. Is it correct? Is it correct, students? Yes, 200. Can you tell me? अभी FIFO ही मेथड है, अभी कुछ चेंज नहीं करने का. वो उधर आपने रिटर्न किया इसलिए आपने चेंज किया. अदरवाइज हम हमारा इश्यू का स्ट्रैटेजी विल बी सेम. यस, कौन सा यूनिट आपको लेना है? विच वन यू वांट? यस, यू हैव टू टेक ओल्ड वन. यस, यू हैव टू इश्यू द ओल्ड वन और न्यू वन. यू हैव टू इश्यू द ओल्ड वन. ग्रेट. तो इधर से आपको देना है. बट हाउ मेनी यूनिट यू नीड? यू नीड 300. डू यू नीड 300? नो, you don't need 300. You need how much? How? Yes, 200 only. Take 200. Charge which rupees? 4 rupees or 3.8 rupees? Charge which rupees? Perfect. 4 rupees. Charge which rupees? Which rate you have to charge? Because old से आप निकाल रहे हो तो arrow mark old से निकाल रहे हो तो उसका ही रेट आपको चार्ज करना पड़ेगा. 4 rupees you have to charge. Because FIFO method, first in, first out. Yes. Answer is 800. Any doubts to anyone? FIFO method है. Don't change the answer. Yes, FIFO method remains same. Yes. So अभी old से कितना बाकी है? 300 से आपने 200 माइनस किया तो 100 बाकी है. At rupees 4 each. Amount is 400. The one more 250. 3.8 ये as it is left है 950. Is it correct, students? Is it correct? Is it correct? Any doubt to anyone? Is it correct? Just tell me, is it correct? Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt? No? Great. Next date, 10-3 के बाद next date. That is 18-3. 18-3. 200 purchase किया at rupees 4.2. Purchase 200. 18-3 को 200 purchase is 4.2 per unit. Tell me the answer. 200 into 4.2. 200 into 4.2. Answer 840. This answer has to be taken to balance column. But tell me, balance column में पहला old को पहला लिखना है या new को पहला लिखना है? Which one should be taken first? Old answer or new answer? Perfect. Old answer should be taken first. That's the old answer remaining previous to this date. That is 100. 100. Previous. इससे पहले वाला previous. Yes. इससे पहले वाले को previous बोलते हैं. That is 4 rupees. Answer is 400. Perfect. So one more old you have. 18 को देखा गया तो दोनों यूनिट ओल्ड ही है. 250 at rupees 3.8. Answer is 950. So this is the ये दोनों ओल्ड आंसर है. ये दो ओल्ड पीछे का आंसर है, then you have to write the new fresh purchase, new answer. What is the new answer? 200, 4.2, 840. Is it correct, students? So this time we are having three type of unit, old though and new one. Is it correct, students? Is it correct? Any doubt? No. 18th ka baad we will proceed to 23rd. 23rd there is a sale of 400 kg. 400 kg. 23rd. 23rd 2019 ko there is a sale of how many kg? 400 kg. There is a sale of 400 kg. So students, can you tell me 400 sale karne ke liye FIFO method, of course FIFO method mein which unit should be taken first, which lot should be taken first? I need your answer. 400 चाहिए, total 400. So उसमें 400 के लिए which lot should be taken first? 100? Is it 100 is enough? 100 is enough? No? Then which lot you will take? Which lot you will take second? 250, perfect. Still it is enough? Still is it enough? No. How much is required now? How much required? 50 is required. That 50 you will take it from third lot. Is it correct? Yes. So what I will do, I will take first lot. I will take first lot. First isko le leta hu. I will take 100. Is 4. Amount is 400. Then I will take second lot, that is 250. Is it correct? 250 I will take. Amount is 3.8. Is 950. Is it correct? Yes. Yes, great. What is the third answer you need? What is the third requirement? What is required now? You don't want to full 200 नहीं चाहिए. फुल 200 नहीं चाहिए आपको 100 मिला, 250 मिला, अभी कितना एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए? टोटल 350 मिल गया, 350 डन. सो व्हाट इज द एक्स्ट्रा यू रिक्वायर? 50 श्योर, 50 ओनली. बट द रेट इज दिस रेट. प्लीज रिमेंबर तीसरा वाला रेट, थर्ड आंसर, दैट इज 50 का आंसर 4.2 हो जाएगा. यस, 50 का आंसर 4.2 हो जाएगा. बी केयरफुल. इज इट करेक्ट? Answer is 210. Perfect. Can anybody tell me kitna number of units बचा? Yes, can you tell me kitna number of units बच गया? Old दोनों खत्म हुआ, only new में unit बच गया. That is 200 था, उसमें से -50 किया तो the left out one is 150. Correct? At the rate of 150 at the rate of 4.2. You should be very, very careful. 150 into 4.2, how much? 630. Perfect. So is it clear, students? ये बचा हुआ आंसर क्लियर है क्या? Yes. Now we will proceed. Yes, which date? Next date is 23rd होने के बाद there is in between there is a return. 26 है, there is a return 26 को है. So we will write 26th 3/2019. Which type of return it is? It is sales return. How can I say it is sales return? Because it is mentioned that the sale was made on 23rd, which is returned now. मतलब सेल 23rd को हुआ था, उसको रिटर्न किया आपने. ठीक है? तो 23rd को सेल हुआ था, उसको रिटर्न किया आपने. तो 23rd का सेल इधर है, ये पार्ट है, दिस पार्ट. ठीक है? उसको आप रिटर्न कर रहे हो बोला तो the sale return should come to purchase column. Sale in second column, sale return first column. Purchase in first column, purchase return in second column. हमेशा उल्टा होता है. Sale in the second column, sales return is in the first column. Why? Because you are receiving, it is a receipt. ठीक है. Can you tell me what is the number of unit you have received? You have received 20 kg. 20 kg. कितना kg? 20 kg. Perfect. But कौन सा डेट का आंसर आप रिसीव कर रहे हो, कौन सा डेट का वैल्यू आप रिसीव कर रहे हो? यू आर रिसीविंग द डेट ऑफ कौन सा डेट का? 23rd का आंसर आप 26 में रिसीव कर रहे हो. प्लीज बी केयरफुल. 23rd को सेल हुआ था, यू आर रिसीविंग ऑन 26. 23rd का सेल यू आर रिसीविंग ऑन 26. सो अभी देखा गया तो यू आर हैविंग यस 4 रुपीज वाला नंबर है, 3.8 वाला है, 4.2 वाला है. So what we will do, we will take the last number, that is 4.2 में इसका वैल्यूएशन करेंगे. 4.2 में, ठीक है, इसका वैल्यूएशन हम लोग 4.2 में करेंगे. Is it okay? This one 4.2, the last one से हम लोग करेंगे. Is it okay? 4.2. Yes, 4.2. Yes, multiply करो 20 kg into 4.2, it is 84 rupees. Is it correct? 84 rupees. Yes, perfect. Now, this is like fresh purchase. You have to write the old answer first. Old answer first लिखना है. That is 150. 4.2 is the answer and 630 is the old answer. Old in the sense ये date से पहले वाला date. Then you write the new one, that is 20 kg at rupees 4.2. Answer is 84. Any doubt to anyone, you can ask me. Is it correct, students? 150 into 4.2, 630. Then you are writing the new one, 20 kg at rupees 4.2. Answer is 84. Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt? So 26, it is done. Only thing is that you should be very careful with the date and value. Next one, 26 ka done. 29th, there is a purchase of 400 ton or 400 kg at rupees 4.4. 29th ko, next date is 29th. 29th is the next date. There is a purchase of 400 kg at rupees 4.4. 400 kg at rupees 4.4. Please tell me, 400 into 4.4. What is the answer? 1760. Great. So this is a fresh purchase. It has to be shown under yes balance column. Now tell me how many balance you have in the balance column. You got 2 plus fresh purchase add हो जाएगा तो 3 आंसर आएगा. So old answer 150, 4.2, 630. One more old answer, that is 20, 4.2, 84. What is the new answer? New answer is 400, 4.4 is the rate, 1760 is the amount. 400, 4.4 is the rate, 1760. Is it correct? Is it correct, students? Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt? No. Last date 29 also done. 31st 3. Number of unit is 300. 300 kg आपको सेल करना है. 30th 3 को 2019 को there is a sale of 300 kg. Students, can you tell me 300 किधर से देना है? 300. Which one should be used first? FIFO method है, याद रखो. Which one? What is the number we have to use? What is the number we have to take first? 150. Great. 150 I have taken. Is it enough? Is it enough? No. I have to take the second one. I have to take the second one also. How much? 20. Is it enough? Is it enough? 150 and 20 is not enough. No. Yes. Now you tell me 400 should I take full or 400 should I take full, or what is required? What is the number of unit required? Because 300 only they need only 300, and 300 ke liye you have taken 150 and 20. Already you have taken 170. You have taken 170. What is required now? What is the difference you require? That is only 130. Please remember, this total should not be more than 300. ठीक है? अभी ये 150 का रेट आएगा 4.2 at the rate of 630. Yes. 20 का रेट आएगा 4.2. Amount is 84. ये दोनों full use हो रहा है. 130 का रेट आएगा 130 का रेट आएगा 4.4 because that is the तीसरा यूनिट है. तीसरा यूनिट है, थर्ड यूनिट है. Yes, 130 into 4.4 amount is 572. Perfect. So have you taken more than 300? Have you taken more than 300? No, you've taken full 300, correct? So 150 is done, 20 is done, 130 is done. Total 300 हो गया. ठीक है? Now, is there any balance remaining? Is there any balance remaining? Yes. किधर से बैलेंस है? इधर से बैलेंस बाकी है. Yes. बाकी का पूरा खत्म हुआ. 400 वाला लॉट था ना, उसमें से 130 आपने निकाला था, 270 बाकी है. ठीक है? At the rate of 4.4, 270 at the rate of 4.4, answer is 1188. 1188. Correct. That's it, students. अभी हमको yes closing stock दिखाना है. So हमारा पास only one unit is left out. We got only one unit. दो दो तीन तीन होता तो हम ऐड करके बोलते थे. But we got only one. That is 270 kg. Its worth is 1188 rupees. So this is the unit left out with us. So we have to take as yes. This has to be taken as closing stock. ठीक है? ठीक है? So dear students, this is all about the solution. So if you want to see full problem एक साथ देखना है तो just 1 minute. Yeah, you can see full problem एक साथ आप देख सकते हो. ठीक है? If any doubt you can ask me. So this is the problem, students. This is the problem, question number 4. Question number 4 का problem है and question number 4 का solution. ठीक है? तो full देखना है तो देख लो. Any doubt you can ask me. No doubt? Yes. Thank you so much, students.